Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to configure logging in pfSense. I'll walk you through adjusting general logging settings, limiting the number of logs displayed, and setting up remote logging to send events to a syslog server. We'll also cover how to log both system and firewall events to improve monitoring and visibility. Let's get started.